Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you fix Windows 11 as well as Windows 10 PowerShell key popping up randomly. So how to fix it? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all in the start menu, right click, go to your task manager. After that, go to your startup menu and find out a terminal. Now you can select the terminal, and if it is unable, then disable it. So in my case is already disabled. So disable terminal. After doing this, that in the search box type of services, open services. After that, find out a Windows update. Open Windows update. Make sure that is click on a disable and click on a already stopped it, so click on apply and OK button. After that, close it. After doing this, that in the search box type Windows features on and off, so open it. Now after doing this, just go down and find out Windows PowerShell. Now here is the Windows PowerShell. Uncheck it, click on OK button. Now after completing that, close it, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.